But let's on that note, I thought something fun we can do today is a little activity using a material you might have around the house that's maybe not quite as precious as toilet paper. So this activity is if you have some aluminum foil, and it doesn't involve that much. You really only need just to rip a few sheets. And so I've done that here. And if you want to try this at home, you can either do it after this video, if you want to go grab aluminum foil right now. And kids, if you do this, the only really dangerous part is aluminum foil has like sort of sharp teeth in that. So you'll want to get a grown-up to help rip a sheet off like this. But if you can just get them to rip like 2 or 3 sheets is all you need. And the thing you can do with aluminum foil that's really fun, you want to grab one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Here, I'll get this one.
I think it might be really noisy, so when we do it, let's actually, can we set it down just for 1 second?
Yeah.
What I'll do is I'll show everyone and I'll show you guys as well. So the thing that's great about aluminum foil is you can use it to make any kind of shape that you want. It's like, parents and teachers watching this, it's like a non-messy modeling clay. It's amazing for making sort of 3D visualizations of things. Really great for any kind of engineering you want to do. And I have to give credit to my friend Keith and his son Evan. They introduced us to this. So Keith has taught me some simple things you can do. Like, let's say, here's some really simple thing you guys can do with one sheet. If you want to make like a pet snake.
I know what I'm doing.
All right, you go ahead and make whatever you want. I'm going to make a simple snake. And give it a mouth right there. And then with that snake, you can go sneak that into your parents under their pillow, scare them. What are you making?
I'm making like a little hummingbird.
A hummingbird?
I made kind of like a hummingbird right here. Like that's the beak, this is the body, and then it has a little baby tail there.
See, cool. And all of this, these are really simple ones you can do quickly.
Wait,
But you can get pretty fancy with these.
You want to make a snake? No, I want to make a bird.
And it doesn't even have to be an animal. Like if you want to make a scene, like I'm gonna make here, I make like a tree.
Oh, I once made a tree with a bird's nest and 2 baby birds with a mama bird in it. And some branches that the mama bird can sit on and an elephant underneath. Kind of weird, but fun.
So you can make a little like tree scene here. So I thought one thing we can do is my friend Keith and his son Evan, they actually filmed a video showing some of the creations they've made over the past few weeks using aluminum foil. What'd you make? You made a sword.
It's actually pointing at it.
Uh-huh. You've got to be careful with it.
They're quite a bit better.
Can I feel it?
They're better at making aluminum foil things, so you might see more detailed things over in that video.
Should we go say hi to Keith? Let's do it.
Hey, Doggy Leg. It's Keith and Evan here. Just like, you want to say hi?
Hi, I'm Evan.
Evan loves to make things out of aluminum foil, so I invited him to show off some of his creations. What are some of your favorite animals you've made? Whoa, okay, which one do you want to show first? Let's see this one. What's this?
This is a dragon, an ice cream dragon from a book called Wings of Fire that I read. It's supposed to have a lot more spikes on it, but
Look at that detail though. You've got the feet here, you got that tail.
Spikes on the tail.
That's awesome. Alright, and the other one here?
This is my bird.
What kind of bird is this?
A peregrine falcon it's also from a book called Frightful Sight of the Mountain, and that's the name of
Okay, here. Can you perch on my hand there?
You mean sheep.
Oh, sheep, sorry.
The wings also move. The head moves. And the beak opens.
That's awesome.
Talons can open and close. The feet can go up to the tail feather. Also, the tail feather can move like most birds.
Okay, hey, we're back. That was awesome. Thanks for showing that, Evan. So Keith actually has a tip. If you want to go a little further with these were like really simple things you could do, but you can start to get more sophisticated. You can make them more complex. So for example, Keith has a trick. If you want to make a creature that has legs, it's a little trickier. Let's go back to Keith and he'll give you a tip on how to make a creature with legs. Here we go.
Hey, Doug.
This is the one I want to show. There we go.
Wrap it around like that. So now if you see, we got a couple legs on that. We got some front legs. We'll get some back legs. I know Doug has some other things he wants to show everyone, so after we wrap up these two, you can try this at home. Not my best dog, but look at that. There we go. Give him a little.
Looks like a
little
dinosaur.
feed. Oh yeah, maybe we call him a dinosaur. That is that long neck. And you know when you're using multiple pieces of aluminum foil, sometimes it's helpful to have a little duct tape. Help hold these things on. So there we go. We got a little four-legged creature. We'll call that a dinosaur. Let's show them off what you did here.
I made a ship from Star Wars. There's a cat.
Oh, it opens.
Oh, should we push this? Piece of duct tape on. Stuffy comes out. And then you might have to like push his legs under a little to get him back in. And then close that back up. Boop. Boop.
That's cool. All right. Well, let's say bye to Doug here. Let him show some other stuff. So thanks, Doug. Hope you guys have fun with this.